What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, this isn't a double unboxing video. I bought a Citizen ProMaster, first one I've ever owned. It came with a free gift, and I'm not sure which box is the watch, so I'm gonna have to unbox both of these, and I guess we'll see which one is which together. So without further delay, let's get into this unboxing. All right, y'all. So like I stated, the the watch itself came with a free gift. I'm not really sure which one is which, so just gonna have to cut it open. We'll figure this out. So I bought a Citizen ProMaster. I have been eyeing an EcoZilla for a long time. I just haven't bought one yet. So this is the Orca, which I believe is a re-release of a watch they used to make before. And I really like the way it looked. And so I bought it. And I think this is the free gift, which should be a pair of earbuds. Why would it come in a box so big though? Okay, that's pretty cool though. So here's some Citizen branded earbuds. And I did buy this guy through Zales. Zales was actually the website where I got it for the best price. And Zales throws in a free gift. I don't know if there's anything else in here. Holy crap. Well, that's a waste of resources. So I guess the watch is the big box. So now let's get into that big box. All right, let's get into this, guys. Packing slip. Let's push this out to the side somewhere. Such a huge box for a box that's really not that big. Wow. Wow, these guys they must go to the same packing school that Amazon employees go to. If you've ever gotten a box from Amazon, you would know that their packing really doesn't make sense. Like they just use the biggest box for the smallest things sometimes. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Like I said, I've never owned a ProMaster before. This is my first ProMaster. Not my first Citizen watch. That would have been the Rebel Pilot. But this is definitely my first ProMaster. I tell you right now, this case is freaking dope. I love this. Very unique. Oh yeah, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Here we have Citizen Orca. She's a beauty. Oh man. You know, I thought it would be bigger. It's not though. It's kind of like right around in line with my tuna. So some people that I know, they know that I'm a Seiko lover. And they told me, hey, if you love Seiko, give Citizen a look. Like I said, I've had some Citizens on my radar for a while. I just really never bought one. The closest one I came to buying was the EcoZilla. I'll take this tag off. But I haven't bought it. There is an EcoZilla out now that's titanium and it's green. Really attractive watch, and I think I will buy that one. It's just a little pricey right now, so I think I'm going to wait for it to come down in price. This guy is an Eco Drive, so it means it only needs light to function. Any kind of light. So the light in the studio right now is powering it up. But you know, sunlight, any kind of light. Oh, that's freaking dope. That is fucking awesome. Pardon my French. This guy literally just came to my doorstep about 15 minutes ago. So, you know, this is all a surprise to me right now. That is really good. That is, oh wow, that is actually etched in there. It is not like a sticker or nothing. That is freaking dope. Oh man, I'm loving this. I'm going to wear this guy a lot. I already see that. I'm going to put this guy on my wrist in so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, y'all. So here it is on my wrist. Very comfortable watch. You know, I think specs-wise, she is pretty big. she doesn't wear big, and I think it's because of the way the strap is integrated into the case. That makes it, wear a little smaller than it actually is. It's very comfortable to wear, and the strap is actually really long. I believe it's made to wear over a wetsuit. This is an actual certified diver's watch. I believe most ProMasters are, if not all. Like I said, I don't know too much about the ProMaster line. I've always been a Seiko fanboy, but this Citizen might get me to switch over. So now that you guys see it on my wrist, let me give you guys my final thoughts. All right, y'all. So first impressions on this guy. The packaging alone is freaking awesome. Far better than any Seiko packaging I've ever gotten. The watch itself feels good. Very satisfying click from the bezel. Um, I'm gonna throw in a loom shot on this guy. I bet this loom on this thing is wicked. Yeah, this watch is beautiful. Yeah, I'm in love with this guy. I'm going to wear this guy around a lot, and this watch will get a full review on this channel. So with that said, ladies and gents, just a quick unboxing video, first impressions. Full review on this guy to follow. Got more videos coming. If you made it to the end, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you on my next one. Peace. Hey, YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.